Hey everyone, my name is Dalini Anbalagan. So today I would like to share with you all about the busy book that made by myself, and this busy book is made for nursery kids and the content of the busy book is shape. So here I'm going to show you about three different kind of shapes. So let's check it out. And the first shape is circle. Circle has no side, and for the circle what I do is an angry bird with loop tip so that the children can take it out and put it back. Another one, I made flower umbrella with round shape and one pouch bag as well. So the kids can play with the shapes like this. And one more thing, I have stitched all the corners and the sides to look nice and neat. If we stitch the sides, we can use this busy book for quite long. Teaching the children about the round shape, I will sing a song about the round shape so that the children can understand easily. So let's sing together the song. I am a circle, I am round, on me no side can be found. Where I start, there I end. I am a circle, circle my friend. So that's all for circle shape. So we move to the next page is square shape. Square shape has four same sides and four corners. For this shape, I made one type of surprise gift. So it will look like this. Surprise! So this gift is square shapes. Why I made this surprise gift is because while we showing the kids about this thing, so that time we can teach the children how to give surprise gift and a small gift for their parents or friends. So on that time the children learn to give gift for their loved ones. And another one is every kid's favorite cute bunny in square shape. While we showing this bunny to the kids, we can teach the children how bunny will jump, how bunny will look, and we can talk about the bunny as well too. And for this page also I have stitched all the sides, and while I'm showing this page to the children, I'm going to sing along a song also for this square shape. So let's sing it out together. These shapes as four same sides, four same sides, four same sides. These shapes as four same sides, it's as four corners too. These shapes called a square, called a square, called a square. This shape called a square, I just want to tell you. Okay, so that's all for square shape. So we move to the last page, and the shape is triangle. Triangle has three sides, and for this shape I have done watermelon slice with two cute eyes and one smiley mouth. So while I'm showing this page to the kids, I can tell about the healthy fruit using this watermelon, so the children will know that fruit is healthy. And another one is I have done with fish aquarium with triangle shaped fish. So here I can talk about the fish and the aquariums as well, and the children can play with the fish as well. They can take it out and put it back. So for this page also I have done all the stitches to look neat, and for this page also I am going to sing a song along with the children. So let's go. D shape has three sides, has three sides, has three sides. D shapes has three sides, has three corners too. D shape is called a triangle, triangle, triangle. D shape is called a triangle. I just want to tell you. Okay, so that's all for the last page. Okay, so that's all for the last page. So I hope that everyone liked the busy book that made by myself. My busy book main content is shape, but also with my busy book we can teach the children about the bunny, healthy fruit and fish as well. So that's all for my busy book. Thank you and have fun. Bye bye.